we are now in what Parahat Khao temple. So as you remember, this is a famous statue in Nan with the temple, and the whole temple, actually the Chedi, is built on around 14th century, and it's there's some carving saying that it's in the inside the Chedi there are some Buddha relics as well. So it's very important for the Buddhists to come here and worship this temple. And also this the unique the posture of the Lord Buddha is built on around 1999. It's like recently, but it's very unique, and you can see that this the unique posture of this Lord Buddha you haven't seen anywhere in I mean, it's very rare posture. So like you can see here, it's very unique. So guys, as I mentioned earlier, so this is very unique statue built in around 90s. So as you can see, you haven't seen this kind of post of Lord Buddha statues in any other country. Actually it's very rare. As you can see, the one the right leg is behind, and the left leg is in front. So there are some sayings that this is the moment that Lord Buddha visited the heaven, and after the sermons done by Lord Buddha for the heaven, for all the gods, and then come back to the earth. So they're saying that this is the first step of that movement to earth. So that's the pose of this the unique and remarkable statue of this Lord Buddha. So it's a very amazing place here. You can see that you can see the whole Nan city from here. So actually this temple is very old, like the history is going back to the 14th century, and there are some sayings that the Lord Buddha's relics are situated put in the big Chedi as well. But this statue is planned by the governor around the 1990s. So it's like he was thinking that after they put up this statue here, and then it will bring some good luck to the Nan city, as you can see from here. And the other reason to put the statue here is it's like that the Lord Buddha is looking at the Nan city, and the blessings of the Lord Buddha every time it will get for the whole Nan city from here. So there is another reason that's why they have built this statue here in this amazing place. And now I think in whole Thailand is very famous about this place, and because of this remarkable statue and the remarkable pose of the Lord Buddha statue in here. And you can see there are many people around Thailand comes here and to worship this place.